Hi, Harida here. This video is a part of the series Solving CBSE Class 10 Question Papers chapter wise. And in this video, we are going to solve questions from previous year's question papers from the chapter Triangles. Okay, so the first question is, in triangle ABC, if x and y are points on AB and AC respectively, such that AX by XB equal to 3 by 4, AY equal to 5 and YC equal to 9, then state whether XY and BC are parallel or not. So, we can draw this triangle. Here, given that in a triangle ABC, one line is drawn, this XY is drawn. We have to find whether this XY is parallel to BC. Okay, and given that AX by XB equal to 3 by 4, this AX by XB equal to 3 by 4 and AY equal to 5. This is 5 and this is 9. So, the basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem states that if a line is drawn parallel, so if this line is parallel to this line, then the ratio of the other two sides should be proportional. That is, AX by XB should be equal to AY by YC. So here AX by XB equal to 3 by 4. What is AY by YC? AY by YC equal to 5 by 9, which is not equal to AX by XB. Hence, XY is not parallel to, XY is not parallel to BC. Okay. Next question. Look at the second question. ABCD is a trapezium such that AB is parallel to DC and AB equal to 3 cm. If the diagonals AC and BD intersect at O such that AO by OC equal to BO by OD equal to 1 by 2, then calculate DC. Okay. Here, this is a trapezium, ABCD is a trapezium, and given AO by OC equal to BO by OD equal to 1 by 2 and AB, this is 3 cm, AB equal to 3 cm. We have to find this DC, this length, DC full length we have to find, that is the question. Here, given AO by OC, AO by OC equal to BO by OD, this is given. Right, this AO by OC equal to BO by OD. This is given. And this angle AOB and angle DOC are equal, because that is angle AOB is equal to angle DOC, because they are vertically opposite angles. You have to write this full, vertically opposite angles. Angle AOB and angle DOC are equal because they are vertically opposite angles. And from this, the sides are AO by OC is equal to BO by OD and one angle is equal, which means this triangle AOB is similar to triangle DOC from SAS similarity. Right? So, we got that triangle AOB is similar to triangle DOC. Understood? Now, we have since this triangle AOB and triangle DOC are similar, their sides are proportional. Right? Their sides are proportional, right? So, here this side AO, this side AO and OC, AO by OC equal to BO by OD, BO by OD equal to AB by DC, right? AB by DC, because these are the corresponding sides. And given AO by OC equal to BO by OD equal to half. Here it is given AO by OC equal to BO by OD equal to half. So we have to find DC, right? So AB by DC is also equal to 1 by 2, because this AB by DC is equal to AO by OC equal to BO by OD, which is half. So AB by DC equal to half, and given AB equal to 3 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. So 3 by DC equal to 1 by 2. So what is DC? DC equal to 6 centimeter. DC equal to 6 centimeter. That is the answer. Understood. Third question is, in the given figure, if DE is parallel to BC, then calculate X. Okay. Here we have to find X. This is X. DE is X. And given AD, DB, so AE, what is AE? AE will be 3 centimeter and EC will be 4 centimeter. Given that DE is parallel to BC. So by Thales theorem, we know that AD by AB equal to AE by AC equal to DE by BC, right? So AD is 3. 3 by AB is 3 plus 4, 7. 3 by 4 equal to 3, that is 3 by 7 equal to DE. This is also 3 by 7. AE by AC 3 by 7. DE by BC. 3 by 7 equal to, so 3 by 7 equal to DE X by BC is 14. So what is X? 7X equal to 3 into 14. So what is X? X equal to 3 into 14 by 7, which is 6 centimeter. So you got X equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, understood? Next question is, in the figure, PQ is parallel to MN. If KP by PM equal to 4 by 13 and KN equal to 20.4 centimeter, then find KQ. Here given KP by PM equal to 4 by 13. By basic proportionality theorem, KP, since PQ is parallel to MN, KP by PM equal to KQ by QN, right? And KP by PM equal to 4 by 13 equal to KQ by, here whole Kn is given as Kn equal to 20.4 centimeter. So Qn, what is Qn? It is Kn. Qn is this whole Kn minus Kq, right? So we can write this as 4 by 13 equal to Kq by Kn minus Kq. That is 4 by 13 equal to Kq by Kn is 20.4. 20.4 minus Kq. So cross multiplying this, 13 Kq equal to 4 into 20.4 minus Kq. So 13 Kq equal to 4 into 20.4 is 81. You can write this as 4 into 20.4 itself. 4 into 20.4 minus 4 Kq. 13 plus 4 Kq, that is 17 Kq equal to 4 into 20.4. So what is Kq? Kq equal to 4 into 20.4 by 17. 17 will go in 20 one time, then 3 remainder. So 3.4. 17 will go in 3.4 4.2 times, right? So you will get 1.2. 4 into 1.2. What is 4 into 1.2? It is 4.8. So 4.8 centimeter. KQ equal to 4.8 centimeter, which is the answer. Understood? So we got KQ equal to 4.8 centimeter, which is the answer. Understood? Next question is, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF such that 2AB equal to DE and BC equal to 8 centimeter, then find EF. Okay. In the question, it is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and 2AB equal to DE and BC equal to 8 centimeter. 2AB equal to DE and BC equal to 8 centimeter. We have to find this EF. Okay. And here these two triangles are similar. Here, since these two triangles are similar, we have in a similar triangle, ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. So here we can write that AB by DE equal to BC by EF, right? And given that 2AB equal to DE, so we can write AB by 2AB. DE is 2AB equal to BC. What is BC? 8. 8 by EF. So AB and AB cancels. You will get 1 by 2. 1 by 2 equal to 8 by EF. So what is EF? EF equal to 16 centimeter, which is the answer. Understood? Now look at the sixth question. In the given figure, OA equal to 3 centimeter, OB equal to 4 centimeter, angle AOB equal to 90 degree, AC equal to 12 centimeter and BC equal to 13 centimeter. Prove that angle CAB equal to 90 degree. Okay. Here given that AC equal to 12 centimeter, BC equal to 13 centimeter, AO equal to 3 centimeter, OB equal to 4 centimeter and this angle AOB equal to 90 degree. We have to prove that angle CAB equal to 90 degree. And how will you prove that angle CAB equal to 90 degree? We have to find this side and we have to prove that this side square 12 square, root of 12 square plus root of 12 square plus AB square equal to 13. You have to prove that. Then you can say that this is a right angled triangle. That is, we have to prove the converse of the Pythagoras theorem. Then we can say that triangle CAB is a right angled triangle, which means angle A equal to 90 degree. So we can find this AB. We are given OA and OB and this is a right angle. So this side can be AB equal to root of 3 square plus 4 square, root of 9 plus 16, which is root of 25, which is 5. AB equal to 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. AB 5 centimeter. So AC square plus root of AC square plus AB square equal to root of 12 square plus 5 square equal to root of 144 plus 25 equal to root of 169 equal to 13, which is equal to BC. Hence, angle CAB equal to 90 degree by the converse of the Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Now, with this, I am concluding this video. In this video, we have solved till question number 6. In the upcoming videos, we will be solving some more questions from this chapter, which is triangles, from the previous year's question papers. So please stay tuned, and if you are watching my videos for the first time, please subscribe and please do like and share so that others can also benefit. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear that. So thank you and bye.